On January 19, 2021, an officer-involved shooting occurred in the 35,000 block of Merle Haggard Drive in Oildale. The following presentation is intended to help bring context to the facts surrounding this case. The following presentation contains a map of the location of the incident, surveillance video, and photos of the scene. The deputy involved in the incident was not equipped with a body-worn camera due to the nature of the investigation. Due to the nature of the deputy's assignment, their name is not being released at this time. Some of the audio and visuals we're about to present may be disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised. On January 19, 2021, at 10:49 a.m., Kern County Sheriff's Office deputies were assisting the Drug Enforcement Administration in a narcotics investigation in the 35,000 block of Merle Haggard Drive. The following surveillance video is from the south side of Panda Express. The deputy was in plain clothing and an undercover vehicle with an undercover DEA agent. The deputy immediately recognized the front passenger in the suspect vehicle as Adrian Rodriguez Cardenas. The deputy and the agent make contact with Rodriguez Cardenas and the driver, later identified as Keyshawn Rockmore. The deputy and the DEA agent walked to the rear driver's side door. The deputy and the agent can see a third person is in the back seat. The DEA agent opened the door and asked to see the narcotics. The next few moments happened very quickly. The deputy noticed the suspect in the back of the vehicle was reaching underneath an article of clothing on the seat closest to the DEA agent. Within seconds, the suspect pulled out a black handgun from underneath the clothing and pointed it at the agent's face. The deputy saw the suspect grab the agent's shoulder and attempt to pull them into the vehicle. The deputy immediately grabbed the agent and pulled them away. The suspect, who was later identified as a juvenile, leaned out of the vehicle, pointing the gun at the deputy while threatening to shoot. The deputy pulled their department-issued handgun from their waistband and fired 2 rounds. The suspect vehicle started to drive away, and the deputy stopped shooting. Here's the remainder of that surveillance video. Here's a closer look at the moment the shooting occurred. Neither the deputy nor the DEA agent had time to identify themselves as law enforcement prior to the shooting. No one was injured. Property damage was limited to the suspect vehicle. The Kern County Sheriff's Office Air Support Unit located the 3 suspects and guided deputies to their location, where they were apprehended. Deputies located a loaded handgun in the bushes near the area the suspects were hiding. The suspects were arrested. Adrian Rodriguez Cardenas was charged with robbery, attempted kidnapping, possession of a firearm by a convicted felon, possession of a firearm by a prohibited person, possession of narcotics for sale, and possession or purchase for sale a narcotic or controlled substance. Keyshawn Rockmore was charged with robbery, attempted kidnapping, possession of narcotics for sale, possession or purchase for sale a narcotic or controlled substance, and destroying or concealing evidence. The juvenile in this case was charged with robbery, attempted kidnapping, attempted murder, assault with a firearm on a person, transport or sell narcotics or controlled substance, purchase or possess narcotics or controlled substance, criminal threats, and possession of a concealed firearm by a minor. The deputy was placed on routine administrative leave pending completion of the investigation. The Kern County Sheriff's Office Homicide Unit investigates any use of deadly force by any member of the department. Their findings have been submitted to the Kern County District Attorney's Office for criminal review. On February 9, 2021, the Kern County Sheriff's Office convened an incident review board examining the use of force by the deputy in this case. The deputy's use of force was determined to be within department policy.